YouTube. Getting ready to head out to my first job this morning. It's a total of 3 areas. I'm not sure on the condition. It's doing the carpets on the house across the street, and the guy walked over and asked me if he can book an appointment. So I went ahead and did that yesterday. Booked him at my first appointment, 10 o'clock today, and I'm gonna do hot water extraction. Yesterday I was doing low moisture for a customer. Is what she recommended or what she wanted, and I went ahead and did that. So today I'll be doing some steam cleaning, hot water extraction, whatever you want to call it. Stay tuned. So anybody out there who's looking to get into this business or any other business, just trying to make that step forward, that first step, right? Remember that success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. That's Winston Churchill. True stuff there. Remember that, once you get going in this business and the bad things start to happen, it's just keep going, because the people that don't quit are the successful people. So just little words of wisdom right there. Self-motivation. This 20 volume peroxide here, hitting these pet stains. Alright, looks like the rest of this is regular soil and spots. So pre-scrubbed everything. Noticed some spots here and there didn't pre-scrub up too well. So I'm thinking it's organic, right? It's just some kind of stain. So I went through there and just hit some more 20 volume on those little spots. There's only a few, but you can tell how much stuff that this thing picks up, right? And I picked up a bunch already and put them inside there. It's probably not a good thing to do all the time. I keep it clean usually, but in between two jobs I put my lint in there, as you can tell. And that's after I vacuum, so these things are awesome. And when a customer says that, you know, your prices are a little high, I say, well, I do more than most carpet cleaners, that's why. And that actually happened to me recently, and he seen me pull out that, and he was, well, I've never seen anybody use that. Kind of explained to them what it does. It picks up more stuff and agitates. And they were really happy by the time I left. They weren't worried about the money at all. Alright, all finished up. Customer also wanted to add a Scotch guard to the two rooms. Well, it's actually three areas because it's the master and small bedroom. So I added that for him, and just wrapped everything up. Customer loved the results. He said it looked new again. He was thinking about replacing it, but glad he didn't. So, alright, if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.